Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our chat. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. It's great to be here. How are you feeling today, David?
To be honest, Emma, I am not feeling very good. I feel a bit stuck.
Stuck? Why? Last week you were very excited about your new goals.
I know, that is the problem. Every January, or every Monday, I make a big plan. I say, this is it. I will change my life. I start to exercise. I buy healthy food. I buy books to learn Spanish.
That sounds like a great start.
It starts great, but it ends quickly. It has been 2 weeks and I have already stopped everything. I am back on the sofa, eating pizza and watching TV. I feel like a failure.
David, listen to me. You are not a failure. You just have a bad strategy.
Strategy? You mean my plan is wrong?
Yes, most people think that to change their life, they need to do something huge. They think success must be big and fast. But actually, real success comes from small habits.
We talked about this a little bit before, but I don't understand how small things can help me. If I want to lose 10 kilograms, I need to work hard, right?
Yes, but you cannot do it all in one day. Let's look at your gym plan. What was your goal?
My goal was to go to the gym 5 days a week for 2 hours each time.
Okay, that is a very difficult goal. It is not achievable for a beginner.
Achievable? What does that mean?
Achievable means something that is possible to do. It is realistic. Going to the gym for 2 hours is too hard for you right now. It is not achievable. So you feel tired and you quit.
That is true. After 3 days, my whole body hurt and I was too tired to go back.
Exactly. You rely too much on willpower.
Willpower? Is that like mental strength?
Yes, willpower is the energy in your mind to force yourself to do something difficult. But willpower is like a battery. It runs out. If you are tired or stressed, you have no willpower left.
That makes sense. When I come home from work, I am tired. I have no battery left.
So, we need a plan that does not need much willpower. We need to make the habit very, very small. Let's call it the 2-minute rule.
The 2-minute rule. What can I do in 2 minutes?
Anything. Instead of run 5 kilometers, your goal is just put on my running shoes. That takes less than 2 minutes.
Put on my shoes? That's it? But that is not exercise.
It is the start of exercise. The hardest part is starting. We often procrastinate because the task looks too big.
Wait, procrastinate is a difficult word. Can you explain it?
Of course, to procrastinate means to wait until later. You delay doing something because you don't want to do it.
Ah, yes, I am an expert at procrastinating. I always say, I will do it tomorrow.
Exactly. But if the task is put on my shoes, you will not procrastinate. It is too easy. And once your shoes are on, you will probably walk out the door.
I see, so I trick my brain.
Yes, you trick your brain to start. Once you start, it is easier to continue.
Okay, I like this idea. But I have another problem. Sometimes I just forget. I want to read a book before bed, but I forget and look at my phone instead.
This is about your environment.
My environment? You mean the room around me?
Yes, your house, your desk, your bedroom. Your environment controls your behavior more than you think. If you want to read, where is your book?
Usually it's on the bookshelf in the living room.
And where is your phone?
My phone is always in my hand or next to my bed.
See, the phone is easy to reach. The book is far away. There is an obstacle for reading.
Obstacle? Like a barrier?
Yes, something that blocks or makes it difficult. Walking to the living room is a small obstacle. You need to remove the obstacles for good habits. Put the book on your pillow in the morning.
On my pillow?
Yes. When you go to bed at night, you must move the book to sleep. You will see it. It's a visual cue.
That is smart. And for bad habits, like eating junk food?
You do the opposite. increase the obstacles. If you have cookies on the kitchen table, you will eat them.
Oh, absolutely. If I see a cookie, I eat the cookie.
So, don't buy them. Or put them in a high cupboard where you cannot see them. Make it hard to do the bad thing and easy to do the good thing.
Okay, make it easy, make it visible. But Emma, what about results? I tried to learn Spanish last year. I studied for a month, but I still couldn't speak, so I felt discouraged. Discouraged means losing hope, right? Feeling sad because you don't succeed.
Yes, exactly. You lost your motivation because you didn't see immediate results.
Immediate means happening right now.
Correct. We live in a world of immediate results. You click a button, you get a movie. You send a text, you get a reply. But learning is slow.
It is very slow. It feels like nothing is happening.
Imagine an ice cube. It's sitting in a cold room. The room is -5 degrees. You heat the room to -4 degrees. Does the ice melt?
No, it's still frozen.
You heat it to -3, then -2, then -1. Still nothing. The ice is solid. You feel like you are working for nothing. But then you hit 0 degrees. What happens?
The ice begins to melt.
Exactly. All the work you did before, the -4, the -3, it was necessary. It was storing energy. But you only saw the result at 0 degrees.
Habits are the same. You're breaking through the plateau of latent potential. Wow. So when I study Spanish and feel stupid, I'm actually just heating up the room?
Yes, you are building the foundation. Do not quit before the ice melts.
I really like that example. It gives me patience.
Patience is key. And there is one more thing, David. It's about who you are, your identity.
My identity? You mean my name and my job?
No, I mean how you see yourself. Instead of saying, I want to run, say, I am a runner.
But I'm not a runner yet. I'm slow.
It doesn't matter. If you tell yourself, I am a healthy person, you will ask, what would a healthy person do? Would a healthy person eat this pizza or an apple?
A healthy person would probably choose the apple. Or maybe half a pizza and a salad.
That's a start. When you change your identity, the habit becomes easier. You aren't forcing yourself, you're just being you.
Okay, let me summarize our plan. I will set very small, achievable goals, like the 2-minute rule. I will change my environment. I will put my book on my pillow and hide the cookies. I will be patient and wait for the ice to melt. I will start saying, I am a reader or I am a runner.
That's a perfect summary. But David, I have one final warning.
Uh-oh. What is the warning?
You will fail.
Thanks for the confidence, Emma.
No, listen, nobody is perfect. One day you will be sick or busy or just lazy. You will miss a day.
And then I will feel guilty and quit. That's my classic move.
That's the danger. If you miss one day, don't worry. Just don't miss 2 days.
Never miss 2 days.
Right. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice is the start of a new habit. If you miss Monday, make sure you do Tuesday, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Get back on track immediately.
Get back on track. That means to return to the correct path.
Yes, don't let one bad day destroy your plan. Be kind to yourself and start again.
You know, Emma, I actually feel excited now. Not in a big, crazy, I will change the world way, but in a calm way.
That's the best kind of excitement. It's sustainable.
Sustainable, meaning I can keep doing it for a long time?
Exactly. It's a long journey, David, but step by step, you will get there.
So my plan for tonight, I will put my running shoes next to the door and I will read just 1 page of my Spanish book.
Perfect. And tomorrow, you will do it again.
Thanks for the advice, Emma. I think this time I might actually succeed.
I believe in you, David. Good luck with the small habits.